Hello, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video we're going to learn how to fix the loose or defective SD card reader in a Garmin GPS. First, I'm going to show you what the problem is with the SD card reader, and then I will teach you how to fix it. Alright, let's get started. So here we have two Garmin units. This one has a good SD card reader, this one has a defective SD card reader. Notice the very first map is a 2026 North American map, and I want to put the 2026 North American map here, and I expect it to read it, but it doesn't. So let me take the map out from here. So now when I took the map out, this will disappear in a few minutes because it's still in the internal memory. There it is, it's gone, it says none. So the map disappeared because I took the SD card out. Now when I put it on this one, let me go to the maps, map info. Currently there are two maps. When I put this one, it should read it. It doesn't even read it. So we're going to open it and fix the SD card. Alright, so first thing, we turn it off. Now we remove the front faceplate. How you remove the front faceplate? Right here there is a little notch for your fingernail to put in your fingernail and lift it up. Right here is where you lift it up. You have 4 Phillips screws that you need to open. So you can use any Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to use a powered screwdriver. Okay. So we opened all 4 screws. We take the screws out and set it aside. Do not lose the screws because they are very unique. You're not going to find the same type of screws. Once the screws are out, you have to slightly pull this very gently because there is a flat ribbon cable underneath. And this cable is extremely fragile and it will break. This cable connects the main board to the small board, which is connected to the battery, speaker, and of course the external connector, not to mention these mic and speaker ports. Okay, so also don't move this back and forth too many times because this will break. This unit will break, the flat ribbon cable. In order to work on this, we have to unplug this cable. To unplug this cable, if you notice right here, let me see if I can zoom in. 1 second. I don't know if the camera will zoom in very well, but if you notice right here, there's some kind of a tape that's holding this. So you need to remove, peel the tape off. Do you see the tape? It's a transparent tape. Very hard to see. It's transparent, so it's difficult to see. Don't pull the tape perpendicular because you will break the connector. So you have to pull it like in a 180-degree angle, like this. Otherwise you will break the flat ribbon cable. Once the tape has been removed, you have to lift up this tab, the black tab. You have to lift it up very gently. And let's see which tool is good for lifting it up. I guess we could use a flat screwdriver or there. Now this will come off. Watch. Remember that it's also glued, okay? Okay, so now once I remove this, I'm going to show you why it was a little difficult, because right here, this is a glue right here. It's a sticky glue. This sticky glue prevents it from coming loose, but at the same time it makes it very hard to remove because it's extremely sticky. So I'm going to remove this sticky glue. There you go. And also on this side, if you notice, this is that sticky glue which I'm going to roll. The easiest way to remove these adhesives is to roll your finger over it, and it will curl. It will curl and will become like a little ball, and you can simply remove it like that. The connector that used to hold this cable, this ribbon cable, flips lock in lock position. That's lock, and this is unlock. So basically, it's, look at this knife. In this position, it's unlocked. This position is locked, like that. That little connector. Okay. So right now it's in lock position. I'll leave it there. Our problem is the SD card reader. The SD card reader is not making a good contact when you press it. It's not making a good contact. Here's how we fix it. We take a small needle and we push each pin down so that it can make a stronger contact, but not too much to block the SD card. So gently, watch. I push the first one down gently with the tip of the needle. The second one gently, and so on. Okay, now what I will do is I will push the SD card and make sure, by the way, the metal connectors go up in up position. This is not how you put it. You put it this way. Okay, I see they're making a good connection. Very nice connection, and none of these pins, see these pins right here, these little pins, none of them are being bent with the SD card. So they're making a very decent connection. Now I should be able to read the 2026 maps. This is just for the speaker and connections, but I could power it from the USB port, so there's no need for that. Let's see, I should be able to read the map now, the 2026 map. Okay, and here it is. I took the card in and out a little bit, and now I have the 2026 North America map reading. And see, now when I remove it, it goes away, which means it was reading the card. That's how you fix the SD card. Now the question is how we put it back together. So I'm gonna unplug it. Now this part is a little critical because you have to make sure this goes in all the way and then you lock it. So you push it in all the way, then you lock it. Let me see if I have a better camera angle to show you what I mean by that. Remember, when you're putting it back together, you see the brown part? The brown part touches the tab, and the golden shiny parts, as you can see here, these, let me put it in an angle so you can see, these golden shiny parts, they will be facing down. Okay, so it's positioned very inconveniently, very difficult to put it back together, but that's exactly how you have to do it. So let's push this in to the right position. It has to be parallel. You can't like force one edge when the other edge is out, like that, like parallel. Now while you're pushing it in with the tweezer, with the other hand, flip the tab. There. So the tab is down, as you can see. This black tab is down. So now we put it back in and turn it back on. And there it is. It's getting power from the battery. And we will do a final test. It's getting power from the battery, but I put this because the battery is weak. Okay, the map is not there. Now I'm going to insert this and the map should appear. Okay, so I inserted it. Let's wait a second. And there is the 2026 North America map, which is on the SD card. And again, just to prove the point that it's reading the SD card, I'll remove it. Removed. And the map disappeared. And we unplug this, turn it off, and put back the 4 screws. The clutch of your screwdriver must be at the minimum. This is max, but this is 1 minimum. See right here? Number 1. That's the minimum. So it has to be at the minimum. Okay? Otherwise you will strip the screws. Once you put all the screws, you put the cover like that, and voila. It is as good as new, I guess. All right. So even though what I just did was on the surgery was on a Garmin Street Pilot 580, but the SD card reader is the same on many different Garmin GPS units. So this will apply to many different models. All right. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.